It's Friday the 13th. I literally did not realize that until just now. It's Friday the 13th. But it's also the day before Valentine's Day, which means it's my friend-iversary with one of my friends who shall remain nameless. It's Elizabeth. So in honor of that, we're going to do what we did the first time we really met. And that's play with Play-Doh. However, you can't play with Play-Doh on a surface like this, so we need a flat one like this. And since it's Valentine's Day tomorrow, I'm going to teach you one of my secret Play-Doh recipes, if you will. I'm going to teach you how to make a rose out of Play-Doh. It's going to be green, because I don't have any red or pink. So we're going to get a green rose. It's not even really green, it's like turquoise. And also, this hasn't been played with in a while. Oh my god. Alright. Are you ready for this? First thing you need for a rose, a stem. So you just, there you go. There you go. Just make it nice and as long as you want. And what's on a stem? A leaf. So you're going to need a leaf. Make it into an oval shape. That's a big leaf. Take some off. Make it into an oval shape. And you can put lines on it if you want. And there's a leaf. So, and then just stick that right on there. Flare it out. You got a stem. Now, for the rose. It's actually really easy. What you need is, you need a lot of it. Ugh. That's not enough. And you flatten it out. Try and make one edge completely straight. And that'll be the top. And then make sure it's the whatever, like this is however big you want the actual rose to be. And then you just fold it in. And you just roll it. Try rolling it from the bottom. And then you just trim off whatever excess there is. And then you stick it on the stem. Oh no, the leaf fell off. Voila! Play-Doh rose. And then give this to someone. Eat it, don't eat it. Don't eat Play-Doh.